Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Grammarly to Jira. To add Grammarly to Jira, you can use the Grammarly browser extension. This allows you to receive grammar and style suggestion while typing in Jira's text field. Here's how to set up. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com. Make sure to log in to your account. After that, go to App section here. Now you will find Grammarly for Chrome. Click on Install button. It should look like this. After it is installed, you will see a status called active. If it is not working correctly, you can simply click on Reinstall button. From there, you can click on Remove from Chrome and remove it. After that, install it once again. Now, on the another tab, navigate to Jira instance. After that, log into your Jira account. Now create or edit an issue. Navigate to a project and start creating or editing an issue in Jira. As you type the summary, description or any comments, Grammarly will automatically provide suggestions for grammar, punctuation and any style. You can see it at the right side of your written text field. Click on it and accept changes from here. If you see underlined text, click on it to view Grammarly suggestion. Click on Suggestion to accept it or ignore it as it needed. By following these steps, you can effectively add Grammarly to Jira, enhancing your writing within the platform and ensuring clear, professional communication in your projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.